Evernote versus OneNote, two of the biggest names in digital note taking. But which one actually works better for you? So let's break it down. Evernote uses notebooks and tags and super clean and great for minimalists. OneNote feels more like a physical notebook, sections, pages, and a freeform canvas for writing and drawing. Evernote's strengths: web clipping, powerful search, and syncing across devices, even scanned handwriting. OneNote gives you stylus support, audio notes, deep Microsoft 365 integration, and it's amazing for mixed media notes, text, drawings, images, all in one place. Evernote works well across platforms but limits features on the free plan. OneNote is totally free and works best if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Think Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive. So here's the thing: use Evernote if you love structured notes, tagging, and great search. Use OneNote if you prefer a flexible layout, handwritten notes, or you're already using Microsoft tools. They're both powerful, just built for different brains. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!